Guys, hello over here, no? Over here is nice and pretty. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Say hello. It is the next day. We went out last night to a really cool restaurant, the adults did. And today we are having a family barbecue. All the kids got together, all the cousins got together, had an epic sleepover. And today's gonna be another fun day. Right? Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Okay, I'll put it on. So yeah, that's what we are up to now. Wayne has gone to play pickleball. Imagine a man come clear off Farrin and I play pickleball. And as you can hear, it's a madhouse. Mo, you enjoying yourself?
I'm having my coffee. Hi guys, morning.
We're having our coffee and enjoying it. So that's that.
That's it, guys.
Ivy's not feeling 100%, but she's doing a little bit better. Just one of those things where, you know, it's just bad timing, but she's in good spirits and all that stuff, but she's definitely not 100%, but she'll be fine.
Guys, hello over here, no? Over here is nice and pretty.
She likes Florida. Yeah. What happened? No, you don't like over here? Aww.
So today is barbecue day. Run up in Publix right now to get something to throw up on the grill for the kids them. You know what I'm saying? Kaboom! Yeah, Uncle Timmy roll out.
Yeah, we have pizza.
Memories are chasing you away from my reality, breaking us into pieces. Once you were my dream. I don't know where we went wrong. You knew the answers all along. It's up to me to say to you, it's a waste of time, the things you do.
Alright, so guys, we just
Jackson, come
done
here.
grilling and chilling. And now we're carrying the little chilling, the children to.
The other kids are in another car.
Where you call the place again?
Pembroke Gardens.
Pembroke Gardens,
It's
and where we
Sugar.
are going. It's sugar, right? The name says it all.
It's their little treats.
Yeah, we're up on vacation, so.
It's gonna be lovely.
And I've never been to here before, whatever it is.
You never been there before?
No. It's what?
Is it
No, it's called, it's sugar.
Oh, that's the mineral thing.
No, nothing like that. Nothing like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Meat is 100%. Alice. Long time.
Into the side.
Yeah, you're just supposed to.
Don't splash me, no boy.
Everybody's scared to. You want to try one?
Wait, do I do it?
It's just something filled with jello.
Bit from get some whole stone, some green.
Just like if we were in Jamaica, we go to a Devon house. When we're here, we have to go to Cold Stone.
Yeah, we had to do
It's
full
one of our
experience.
favorite. We left the kids home though, and so look at all of this ice cream, guys.
So, no matter with M&M, they like it.
It feels too much. I'm letting you go. I'm letting you go. I'm letting you go. Yeah, yeah. I kiss goodnight before letting you go.
Alright, so it's our last day in Miami, in Florida, in Fort Lauderdale, however you want to call it. And the trip has been so good for us as a family. To just, I mean, the only issue that we had is that Ivy has not been feeling 100%. So we've had to have give her a little extra attention. She started to sleep in the days and yeah. So, and give her medication, all kind of things. So yeah, but everything else has been going really good. We've been eating, we've been enjoying our time with the family, and the kids have been having a grand time swimming, this, that, whole heap of things. So we're going to continue the family tradition of eating. This morning we're going to dim sum. We'll find dim sum in Jamaica, so we'll have to find dim sum in Florida. So these guys have a good spot, so we're gonna check it out and see how. Yes, Buki, and see how Florida dim sum compared to our Jamaica dim sum.
Daddy, can we go swimming?
Swimming later, Buki. Yeah. All right, so we're going on the road again.
Get some buns here for the kids.
Get some bun for us.
Sesame. And the shrimp on here. And the
Ice, cool sesame, cool head.
Okay, guys. So, like with all good things, they must come to an end. Our Florida trip is coming to an end right now. We're heading to security we're going through to our gate to get on our flight right now. So we're going. Baby Ivy sleeping, see Momo, all the kids. It's like what have I heard a goat. You ever see the man them are walking on the street with the goat them? And if you guide them to the destination, that's over there right now. See you.
But why did they have to paint the
Jackson, look at this. This is where you can check your flight. Where is our flight? Let's see where the things of Kingston. We're trying Kingston, JetBlue, Kingston, Paris. I see where it is.
Kingston, Jamaica, JetBlue. Oh, I see the bottom already. We'll speak closer.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now they're looking
the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down.
Alright guys, so as you see, we are back in Jamaica.
Landed safely.
And now we are on our way to SunFest.
SunFest.
We have Dante and Gio in the car with us. And
Gio, you do a one tune on the live stream.
Yeah, man, I give them a sample.
You give them something?
Yeah, man.
You have a rhythm.
Have it ready.
Make sure you know.
Yes.
So Dante, you are the hype man.
No, so I just debo it still.
Uh-oh.
I put up and make sure everything I go good.
Yeah.
Why you talk so cool?
I don't know.
Why you doing that? Yeah, so cool. Why you doing that?
You don't want to hear them when the cameras are on, okay? Trust me.
Yeah, so alright, when we post this video, tonight is SunFest, the actual 19th dancehall night, big night. Looking forward to some big performances.
Yeah.
So make sure that if you're there in Jamaica, you come out, you forward upon the live stream.
Yes, MTM Fam was big in a live stream last year, so I'm hoping to see you guys again this year. I am looking forward to seeing some amazing artists tonight. You know what I'm actually looking forward to seeing?
Who?
I've never seen him perform. YG Marley.
YG Marley,
I
yeah,
only
he's
know
going to be
one
performing.
song,
A lot
but
of
I
people
remember
might think
lots
that
of
he's
good
performing
songs.
on Saturday night, but he's not. He's performing on dancehall night.
Wow.
So if you don't want to see YG Marley perform the big song and then some other song, them, and who knows?
Yeah.
You don't know. Every time I see YG Marley for the last about 5 times, I see Lauren Hill too, you know. I see Mother too, you know.
True.
So
It's true.
I don't know, and I'm just saying
You're not
that
saying.
might be a thing.
Yeah.
I don't think his mother going to want him perform for some place without she being there to see him.
Yeah, facts.
I don't know. I just say.
Yeah.
Prophet Capitan is performing, so there's a
That's gonna
mixture
be
of
big.
new artists and foundation artists.
Yeah.
Munga dep on it too, Turbulence dep on it.
TJ is on it as
TJ,
well.
you have Dona
450.
450. You don't know no 450
I know
song, you know, so no bother with it.
450. Give me one 450 song. Just give me the first line.
Yeah, style.
Can't style me, look on me. While I reach you ever. Find a new man like Find by me. You don't know the man's song. You don't know the man's song. You just a daddy. Anyway, you have Mali
Find
Dan,
by me.
Mobe you dep on it. Who else dep on it?
Jada Kingdom.
Pablo YG dep on it to Jada. Diani. A whole heap of no, Diani are tomorrow night. Who me I talk about? Diani are Saturday night. But
Okay.
I murder people. And then Saturday night now,
Yeah.
you have some top performers too as well.
Okay. Very excited about Berries because I didn't come to hear. You guys came and saw Berries.
Wow. Oh yeah, me and Gio
Me
did
and
come
Gio
that year
came that
before.
year,
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to seeing.
Oh, we not say Dexter Daps. Jesus, please, Dexter Daps to tonight. Dance all night.
Mr.
Yeah.
Daps, I just want to publicly apologize for the song situation. I knew it was you. My brain.
Anyway, Saturday night with that one now.
Babyface, obviously,
Babyface.
gonna be a real treat. Nige Boy is actually on
Nige Boy
Saturday night
Saturday
as well.
night. Get it right, people. Nige Boy now perform on dance all
Which
night
is
on Saturday
interesting.
night. Yeah.
I like the way they're kind of splitting it up though. Like,
You know, them
you
always
know?
do that. Them always plug in some dancehall high energy vibes to mix up with the roots reggae vibe and the international performers.
Nigeria's gonna be great. Yeah, it's gonna be a great night. And Anthony B.
Anthony B. I gotta lock it.
Big up Christopher Ellis.
Chris Ellis, the son of the great Alton Ellis, is gonna be performing too. Look at man, people just come out. It's gonna be a treat. This SunFest promises to deliver like never before. 2024 is gonna deliver like never before.
And if you guys see these two people in the audience, just send them back to me. Just kidding.
What?
Just bother them.
Yo,
ask them to buy you a drink. No.
Anyway, guys, so we're heading straight to Mobile right now, and SunFest is on and popping. So we're gonna catch two little ting and two little road. Yeah, man? Alright.
Who's gonna get the last word?
Aye.
What is he doing?